Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the page you need to zoom and place your cursor where you'll work. First, confirm which input you'll use, keyboard shortcuts, touch gestures, or menu controls, because the method you choose matters. Once done, look at the browser's zoom indicator, usually a % in the menu or the view settings in an app. Make sure accessibility settings won't override zoom, and remember whether you need temporary magnification or a persistent page scale change. Now perform the zoom action. For quick changes, press Ctrl plus or minus on Windows or Command plus or minus on a Mac, because those adjust in set increments and are easy to undo. If you prefer smooth control, pinch on a trackpad or use scroll while holding the modifier key to fine-tune. Alternatively, open the view or menu icon and set an exact percentage. This is useful when you need a specific scale for reading or layout testing. Complete the task by deciding whether this zoom is temporary or permanent. Reset quickly with Ctrl or Command plus 0 to return to 100%, or leave the percentage set if you need it. Make sure images and layout look correct. If elements overlap, use the browser's responsive or reader mode to preserve readability. If zoom behaves oddly, disable extensions, check accessibility magnification settings, and clear the cache. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.